And then I have one more bag from this Dollar Tree trip, so that's a lie. I actually have two, possibly three. This is a little In the Mood moisturizer. I wouldn't recommend this as a stocking stuffer. I didn't try it, but the one I have is damaged, so I cannot safely recommend this. It was cool because it's vegan, paraben free, you know, free from a lot of crap. So like if you see this and you think the person would be into the scent, maybe go for it. But it is jasmine petal and warm musk. This is another thing I think is real cute. So they had like 3 or 4 of these. This is the Rosé Champagne Wishes Renewing Body Scrub. I don't know if this is Dollar Tree specific. It just looked cute. And they've had a few little body scrubs in the past that were dupes for nicer brands. I think there was like a cotton candy one and a gummy bear one, both of which I liked and tried. So this kind of looks similar, so I thought it might be fun. And it came with like a spray and something else, which I have here. I just have to find. So I thought that would be cool. We have yet another travel candle kit because 1, I really like these, so I want to keep a few. But 2, I just think these will make great stocking stuffers. Another thing I saw that kind of had that it was specifically made for the holiday time vibe was these sets. These are called Rebel Girl Color Co lip gloss. So I don't know, I've never heard of this. It just kind of gives me, this gives me more like Walmart holiday lip gloss kit than something high end. So maybe you don't like get this for like somebody like an adult, but for like nieces, I'm thinking this would be a fun little play makeup set, and it's cute. It's like big size too, so it kind of looks like an actual set. They have little girly makeup kits at Walmart, and some of them are really cute, so I'm not like suggesting you don't get any, but some of them are like this big and they're like $12, and it's like you could go to the Dollar Tree and like, you know, make sure the stuff's appropriate, but like you could get your daughter, niece, whoever, like this whole set. The things that are in the holiday kids makeup sets are not exactly like high quality or good for their skin, so I feel like why not get the Dollar Tree brand? Like you're gonna play with it and maybe grow out of it, so you don't want to shell out for like Sephora. And I think the Sephora kid trend is crazy anyway. Like I'm talking about like little girls, like if they're little, I feel like they get the little play makeup. They don't need to have like crazy makeup. I mean, that's your, you know, your choice. I don't judge you, but so they had a few more things. They were definitely like clearly intended to be stocking stuffer like type things, but that doesn't mean they're not cool. So I picked up some of those. I got these little stocking stuffer socks. These ones are NASA themed, so I got these for myself, but I think they're really cool. They have that little Dollar Tree little gift tag thing to from, so this could be like a quick little one-off gift for somebody. I got another pair of these as well. And then they had this little body hand cream gift set. Hand cream gift set. Now this kind of looks really cheap, so I'm not gifting this to anyone, but it said that it was cherry blossom, and I was like, is this gonna smell like that cherry blossom like Bath and Body Works stuff from back in the day? Like I should try it. I have opened this. It's not very good, so I don't recommend it. This did not give me the vibes I was going for. I have a few more things. So, like I said, they must be doing some sort of makeup closeouts, because I got 2 of these eyeshadow palettes, and these are like full size. They're by the brand Clean Color, and it says megawatts. They just looked cute. I don't know why I keep saying They just look cute. They're literally like the size of my arm, so these are like the real deal. I don't know if they're any good, but like as far as a stocking stuffer, this is probably going to be nicer than any of the other Dollar Tree things that you're normally gonna get. I would just guess. Sometimes stuff does end up at the Dollar Tree because it's like nobody bought it, so I don't know, maybe buy one and try it out, and if you like it then maybe gift it. I just thought these looked nice, so I could picture this sticking out of the top of a stocking, like, you know. That's not to say like that some of the LA Colors eyeshadows are actually really cute, so that's not to say like don't buy those either, but just a thought. I picked up another set of these baggies. I already mentioned these, but they're just reusable snack bags. They are BPA free and they are leak proof, allegedly, and they stand upright. So this is just another stocking stuffer I thought was cool. If you have somebody that doesn't want candy, you know, maybe they don't eat sugar, or maybe they don't want like cheap makeup, or they're sensitive to scents, and like some of these people, like I do fall into that group a lot, but like there's pretty much nobody that can't use a Ziploc baggie that's reusable. I mean, I don't want to say nobody, like maybe if you have mobility issues or something, you need disposable, so like obviously respect that, but like most people could use this. Like you eat snacks, or like maybe you want to put like hair ties in this or something. I don't know. I just thought that would be a cool thing. I mean, this gives me like stocking stuffer vibes for a mom. Like it could be your mom or a new mom or somebody, but like I have a brother that travels for work, so maybe he could use this. Like it could be anybody. So another thing I think is really cute, and I think it would be good for a stocking stuffer or for yourself, is this Be Pure nail polish. So this is new to me, but it says that it is vegan, paraben, and cruelty free, and it's free from 16 things. So I don't know, I haven't researched it, but it sounds pretty cool. It doesn't have formaldehyde or like any, like it has a lot of crap on here. It doesn't have synthetic fragrance, so like this seems pretty legit, and I'm kind of surprised to see this at the Dollar Tree. But I think this is something that would be good again for like a young girl or young boy or whoever like wants to paint their nails, but it's just not super chemical based. So, or I shouldn't say chemical based because a lot of things are chemicals. It's not super toxic. It doesn't have formaldehyde, so I think this could be really good. I had to split up the video because it was getting kind of long, and then I spilled a freaking entire soda can on my carpet, so I had to start fresh. I think this is another item that would make a top tier stocking stuffer, and that is the Dollar Tree slouch socks. So I just think these are really cute. The gray and black ones look a little miffed, but the white ones definitely have that slouchy vibe. I just like have been on a sock kick. I think a few years ago, actually before these started to really trend, I was really feeling nostalgic for scrunchy socks and like looking for them, and I couldn't find them. And then the socks started to trend, and they were like everywhere, like Amazon, and I got a bunch of rainbow ones for Christmas last year. But I just like these. I like them for the winter, even though they're kind of like 80s, 90s. I just think they're cute. I just picture like you're wearing your tights and your big oversized crew neck sweatshirt, and you're just looking like, I don't know, like Rachel Green from Friends or somebody, but they're just comfy. So I like these. They were $3, so they were like the premium section, and they're not like super high end. They're polyester and cotton, so they're 61% polyester, 26% cotton, 2% rubber, which is weird, and 1% wool. And then it says 9% elastane. Does that even add up correctly? I don't know. I just thought they were cute. They do sell these on Amazon and other places, but I feel like usually to get a good deal per sock, you have to buy a pretty big bulk. So if you just wanted to try them out, or you just wanted to gift them to somebody, I think this could be a great deal. I also think it's fun to maybe get the bigger packs on Amazon or another retailer that you want to support, and get like a multi-pack that's like 20 in like different colors. Like I got a rainbow pack for myself last year because I wanted to wear every color, but like I could see getting that and splitting it up. Like maybe you give 3 or 4 pairs to like your sister-in-law, your sister, your mom, your best friend. Like you just have fun with it and do like maybe colors based on people's, you know, people's style, and then make like a whole gift basket around the color. That could be fun. Okay, so I picked up another thing. I don't know if I would make this a stocking stuffer or not. This is just in here, but it is the Extra Care Anti-Wrinkle Cream. I had just seen this when I was shopping for stocking stuffers, and I wanted to try it out, so I grabbed it. So I have a few more items. Some of them are for me, and some of them I just think would make good stocking stuffers as well. So they had these little Juncture brand, basically fanny packs or belt bags, and they're kind of plasticky. They're not amazing, but I've purchased bags like this in the past from the Dollar Tree, and they're still holding up. So I mean, I just use them to organize. So I think it'd be really great for organizing cords, or just something like that's like in your car, or something that like you just need a little pouch for. But I also thought this would be good for gift giving, because if you wanted to do like, this is a little stocking, or you fill this with makeup or candy or something, I just thought it would be fun. Again, they're not super high end, but they're cute enough. I think they'll hold up. And I have like ones that were the same brand that were like plaid, and they called them men's toiletry bags, but I just used them. But same vibe, very plasticky, but like also that means like it's not gonna get wet in the snow. You could probably customize them too, like print something on the front, especially for like a little kid who's gonna lose their little pouch or like get it dirty. Like you don't want to be buying something super expensive. So I think these would be cool. This is another thing they had that was like considered a stocking stuffer by the store. And this is just Fender branded guitar socks. And I think these are cool. I like that it's a little package because it looks like a little, you know, pair of socks that you would get from a regular store. I also think that the rest of the Dollar Tree socks are pretty fun and that you could use those for stockings as well. So like, literally, I have a ton of these. I've been buying them, but like, you could also do some sort of fun little sock care package. I don't know. I just think you have a lot of options with this. Maybe I should make a video that's little stocking stuffer, like DIY baskets or something. I don't know. I think that would be cool. Coming up to the end here. So this is Rosé Champagne Wishes Fragrance Mist and Rosé Champagne Wishes Body Wash and Bubble Bath. These just match the scrub that I had earlier, so I think it'd just be like a cute little gift set. They do look nice. The scent seems okay. Yeah, like nothing too off-putting. So again, like, don't give this to somebody who's like allergic to fragrances and stuff, but for somebody that likes that kind of stuff, I think it's really cool. And this just says raspberries and ceramides, so I don't know. I thought that was neat. Last thing I found was Be Pure Green Apple Scented Hand Sanitizer. This one is in the little like grip pen version. Oh, I'm about to drop it. It's like a little pen that you could grip on your pants, so I think this is cool. Pretty much anybody can use hand sanitizer at this point. Like, you know, there's COVID, there's flu, there's, you know, regular coughs and stuff. So I think it's like a pretty thoughtful gift. If somebody's a teacher or a nurse or someone especially, like, I feel like that's a no-brainer. So maybe you want to get your kid's teacher a gift card and throw in some hand sanitizer. I don't know. I just wanted this one because it was green apple. Lastly, there's one category I did forget to mention, and that's food. So if you have somebody that doesn't really want a ton of stuff, I suggest obviously maybe getting them a gift card or like an experience, like money towards an experience. You could also make them a stocking or like a gift basket of food. Like I know certain people like that are in my life that just prefer that. They're like, get me like some chocolate covered pretzels and some, like one year I think I did like a basket of fancy cheeses or something and like hard salamis, but not like the ones that you get in the store that are prepackaged for the holidays, because they charge you like a lot for those and they're usually pretty like generic. But go out to like the supermarket or like the Italian market and get like some like really nice fancy ones, or get like some olive oil or something. I just picked up these two things. I don't know if these would be great in a stocking or not. I just thought these looked good. So like take that advice, but pick like stocking specific stuff. So like the Dollar Tree has little single serve little single serve like apple cider that looks like little champagne bottles or whatever, or like little Christmas candies or candy canes, like stuff like that I think would be great.